Namaste. So today's topic is thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is the one of the largest endocrine gland in the body. It is positioned on the neck just below the larynx and has two lobes with one on each side of the trachea. It is involved in the production of the hormone T3 and T4, tridothyronine and thyroxine. These hormones increase the metabolic activity of the body cell. The thyroid also produces and releases the hormones calcitonin, which contribute to the regulation of the blood calcium level. The thyrocalcitonin or calcitonin decrease the concentration of calcium in the blood. Most of the calcium removed from the blood is stored in the bone. The thyroid hormone consists of two components, thyroxine and iodine. This hormone increases the metabolism of most body cells. A deficiency of iodine in the diet leads to the enlargement of the thyroid gland, known as a simple goiter. Hypothyroidism during early development lead to keratinism. In adult, it produces myxedema characterized by obesity and lethargy. Hyperthyroidism leads to condition known as exophthalmic goiter, characterized by weight loss as well as hyperactivity and irritable behavior. The thyroid gland is a two-lobed gland that manifests a remarkable power active transport mechanism for uptake of iodine ion from the blood. As blood flow through the gland, iodine is converted to an active form of iodine. This iodine combined with an amino acid called tyrosine. Two molecules of iodinated tyrosine then combine to form thyroxine. Followed its formation, the thyroxine become bound to a polysaccharide protein material called thioglobulin. The normal thyroid gland may store several week supply of thyroxine in this bond form. An enzymatic splitting of the thyroxine form the thyroglobulin occur when a specific hormone is released into the blood. This hormone produced by the pituitary gland is known as thyroid stimulating hormone TSH. TSH stimulates certain major rate limiting step in the thyroxine secretion and thereby alters its rate of release. A variety of body defects, either dietary, hereditary, or disease induced, may decrease the rate of or the amount of thyroxine released into the blood. The most popular of these defects is one of that result from the dietary iodine deficiency. The thyroid gland enlarges in the continuous presence of TSH from the pituitary to form a goiter. Thyroxine serves to stimulate the oxidation metabolism in the cell. It increases the oxygen consumption and heat production of the most body tissue. A notable exception being the brain. Thyroxine is also necessary for normal growth. The most likely explanation being that thyroxine promotes the effect of the growth hormone or the protein synthesis. The absence of thyroxine significantly reduces the ability of growth hormone to stimulate the amino acids uptake and RNA synthesis. Thyroxine also play a crucial role in the closing related area of the organ development, particularly that of the central nervous system. So, here we have completed this brief study about the thyroid gland. Hope you will understand this. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you.